Stupid. What are you doing, Gamini? Creature. I've never seen that. Huh? You are a creature in form of amphibian. I have never seen it. Ndearoga mahangororete maita meri matatu. Ogesona thwiti ya kamuti. What's that? I've never seen that. Yeah. So the chairman has been away, but now he's back. A round of applause to him. I've seen it several times. The only way to go. Chairman Karidho. Yeah, my nyari is here. You are not lucky. You are not lucky. So, ngoretwo ngithie kuria kanitha wa Kayore, kanitha wa Meru, na kanitha wa kuria Mwea, na kanitha wa kuria gwitwo Thigio. And let me tell you, what I have seen with those churches, they have improved more than this church. Very much, very much. And so, that gives me the reason to let you know, nego corona another tour. And this is the chairman's schedule. Ujure gathie Kenol rucio thie Kenol njururi oguo menye niki gitumi kia Gikuyu othe mathia kungethia hau magithie gicagi hau nio mathia gwetaniria tweterere mama wa Kayore ni tweterere mama wa Zimamani. The other day, following day, nigatengera kula kwa James Wong, it's Prestige Motors. Ngamemio oguo hanini ngionekana apostole ukigurirwo ngari ingi atigane na Murang'A. Over my alive body, we cannot. Yeah. On Wednesday and Thursday, nigacira kundu gwitwa St. Bridget Hospital. Thigathimwo maitho maya makwa. To ndirona gicunje gia 10 gikinyira apostle. Any other time, I don't see it. Yeah, maitho makwa batirona. I cannot see it. Yeah. Negateithia. The following day that we follow that day. Negateithia nyina wa Derito wakwa kuhata kiugo. Yeah. Ni undu Wafula oria twandikite ni arathi Christmas. Yeah, he's breaking for Christmas. Don't you enjoy wega ngoro-ini yakwa mundu to ucio because he's a creature just like Gamini. I'll go bullfighting. Yeah. So next week I will come. Yeah, so that I can monitor how the renovation will be done. Definitely, I will have to. Youth seminar is following next week. Choir practice. Na no nginya gakorwo ho nigetha ndimonie makinya meru tondu matiramenya. Yeah. Na shusha nyavu riu niro ikinya ngoka hakumuonia because of 31st December. Yeah, this year. So that I can show you how we go about it. Na shusha nyavu. Oh, bwana mukubwa. Yeah, definitely. Nigga soka dengere kule kwa Liz Clement. Gejua Liz Clement beauty and hairdressing. College. Magika practice nyejeruoha. How? Jokero udie thigũkũ. Yeah. I have to eat. Negacera amazing surprise kule kwa Bomonyiri. Igagiri Mr. Mashaya gimocokagiria ngatho. Yeah. Because he has assisted us with the new locks for these doors. I don't think I have any other announcement unless Gamini ukorone kwenda kumenya kana kwina irua. Yeah, choir come and sing.